Zeza, most of the time I'm gonna be commanding in Tagalog, so please bear with me.
Ayun na si Malaki, ayun na si Malaki.
Auto badge.
Nice.
Ayun nga pala.
So guys, just bear with me. Circles, everyone, go mid. First to go, parties 5 to 8. Parties 5 to 8, go rush. Parties 5 to 8, go rush. Wait lang. Okay? Take mid. Guys, please mute if you're not gonna command. Just speak when you're gonna push some comms.
Dapa ako.
Sevro, tayo na yung alt mo nandito, naglalaro. Si Victra. Kalaban natin. Okay. Push crystal. Damage sa crystal. Loki ready. Try to find wizards and professors. We can outnumber them here. Everyone go mid. Sevro nasa sub pero naglalaro yung alt niya dito sa main ng Diling.
Aray.
Yun yung Victra, oh. Pinatay ko kanina. Anyone, just okay, nice take. Retake, then and just take the tower. Okay. Split, parties 1 and 2 go left. Parties 3 and 4 go bottom left. Let party 5 to 8 handle mid.
Sa delinquency binary.
Oo nga eh. Parties 1 and 2 take left. 3 and 4 take bottom left.
Pares ako. Sa likod ako ng tower. Asan ba sa GK?
Status parties 3 and 4. Status. Anyone?
Para salita kayo ah.
Guys, I need your commands. I need your response, I mean. Status 3-4. Bottom left, what's the status? Guys, it's much better kung magsasalita na lang kayo.
Third na yung bottom left.
Okay, good. Everyone, 1 and 2, leave out left. Let's take right, bottom right. Party 1 and 2, take bottom right. Parties 5 to 8, status.
Save.
Okay.
Punta
Party
sa
1
bottom
and 2,
right.
take bottom right. Party 1 and 2, take bottom right. Okay, good.
210 ba 240?
7. 240.
Mas marami sa ano left side, bottom left.
Save yung mid. 15 seconds.
Okay. After we take bottom right, we're gonna take bottom left. Ignore the tier B crystal.
Okay na, bottom right.
Okay, everyone go bottom left. Everyone go bottom left. Parties 5 to 8 assist in bottom left. Party 1 and 2 stay here. Party 1 and 2 stay here.
Wala na yung bottom left, boss Papunta na silang bottom right.
Okay. Hindi matitake yung bottom left? Hindi na?
Wala na. Na-take
Okay,
na nila.
5 to 8 go mid. 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 Parties 3 and 4 assist. Parties 3 and 4 assist. 3 to 8 go mid. 3 to 8 go mid. 3 to 8 go mid. Capture mid. Then 3-4 prepare for left crystal. 3-4 prepare for left crystal. Nice take. Okay, 3-4 take left crystal. We assist there. Okay, nice take. 3-4 1-2-3-4 take left crystal. Status 5 to 8. Anyone?
Take.
Goods. Ignore tier B crystal. We're gonna take tier A crystal. 1-2-3-4 take left. Take left crystal. They're holding this one. Okay. Outnumbered here. Okay, now let's try to split. I'm gonna revive first. Okay, so parties 3 and 4 take upper left. 3 and 4, sorry, take upper left. 1 and 2 take bottom right. 1 and 2 take bottom right. 3 and 4 take upper left. Refrain from PvP outside crystal. They're leading, they're leading, they're leading. 1 and 2 bottom right. Let's kill them. 3 and 4 upper left. We cannot
Kaming
outnumber.
tao sa upper left.
Okay, then leave it. Take bottom left. 3 to 4 take bottom left. They're gonna be splitting. 5 to 8, can you assist in bottom left? You can overtake that castle as well. That crystal. 3 to 8 take bottom left. 3 to 8 take bottom left. It's gonna be messy. Okay, 3 to 8 take bottom left. It's gonna be messy. There's no middle tower right now, so 5 to 8 can assist. Take bottom left, you can overtake that crystal. You just need numbers. Okay, everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. 1 and 2 stay. 1 and 2 stay in bottom right. Everyone go mid. Take the crystal again. Okay? Parties 1, 2, 3, 4 new command. Kapag hindi kaya yung tier A crystal, we're gonna take the tier B crystals. So, after this party 1 and 2, take the tier B crystal on the nearest left. Okay, take the tier B crystal on the nearest left. 1 and 2. Parties 3 to 8, status.
Captured na yung anong boss. Mid.
Nice. Okay. Let's now try to take tier A and tier B crystals. Parties 3 and 4 go bottom left. 3 and 4 go bottom left. 3 and 4 go bottom left. 3 and 4 go bottom left.
No!
Let's try to take all those crystals.
No!
3 and 4 go left.
No! No! No!
Boss Malakay, can you put yourself in mute first?
No! No!
Okay, parties 3 and 4 take a bottom left crystal. 1 and 2 just hold. We got low kid here. Part 1 and 2 just hold here. 3 and 4 take bottom left. Status.
Captured na yung left boss. Bottom left.
Okay, good. 1 and 2 go middle left. 1 and 2 go middle left. 1 and 2 go middle left. Middle left. Party 1 and 2 go middle left. One and 2 go middle left. Okay. Status bottom left. Status bottom left. Bottom left, status. Oh, take ng kalaban. Okay. Okay, try to take leftmost tier B crystal. 3 to 4, take nyo yung leftmost. 5 to 8, just hold on mid. We're gonna take mid later. Stand our ground here. Let's stand our ground here. They're leading. Let's stand our ground here. We're gonna take mid.
Capturing that crystal boss.
Goods, goods. Okay, 5 to 8, take mid. Lamang pa rin sila, hindi ko alam bakit. PvP siguro. Okay, everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Parties 3 and 4 go bottom right. Ready up in bottom right. Bottom right. Ready up in bottom right. Ready up in bottom right, okay? Parties 5 to 8 and 1 and 2 take left. 3 and 4 take bottom right, and the rest of the parties 1, 2, and 5 to 8 take left. Take left, everyone. 5 to 8 and 1 and 2, take left. One, two, 5 to 8, take left. Tier A crystal. 3 and 4, capture bottom right crystal. Wait for it to
Bas-
finish.
2 parties sa bottom right.
Okay, 2 parties. Okay, take upper left. 3 and 4, take upper left. 3 and 4, take upper left crystal. 3 and 4, take upper left. 3 and 4, take upper left. 5 to 8, assist in middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, take upper left. 1, 2, 3, 4, take upper left. Okay, everyone, all in. Let's go upper left, all in. Upper left, all in. Everyone, all in, upper left. Leave everything, everyone, all in, upper left. Everyone, let's go. All in, upper left. Let's take this crystal. We're gonna overpower them here.
Pareso.
Pares na sa
Everyone
gitna.
push.
Pasok
Yes,
kayo,
yes.
pasok kayo.
Live mid. Push,
Okay.
gitna lang tayo. Laban tayo sa gitna ng crystal. Push inside the crystal. Let's overtake them here. Can you spam Resu, guys? We're down, we're down. Nice. Okay. Leave mid. Okay. Take this crystal. Everyone fight. It's near their spawn point. So we have to fight on this crystal. Okay, parties 3 and 4, split now, go bottom left. Split now, bottom left. We're gonna hold them here. Parties 3 and 4, split bottom left. We're gonna hold them here. Sunod sa akin yung party ko. Sunod lang muna sa akin. 3 and 4 lang hihiwalay. Na-take naman na. Okay, 3 and 4 go bottom left. Then status ha, status. Dikit ha, dikit tayo.
Boss, padala ka na isang team power right dito. Bottom left.
Okay, everyone go bottom left. Everyone go bottom left. Everyone go bottom left. Everyone go bottom left. Everyone. Everyone go bottom left. We need to take this crystal. Everyone go bottom
Middle
left.
natin, 10 seconds
Yes. Everyone go bottom left. We capture this. Then 5 to 8 will go mid. Let's capture this first, then 5 to 8 go mid. Okay, 5 to 8 go mid. 5 to 8 go mid. 5 to 8 go mid. We take this crystal. 5 to 8 go mid. 5 to 8 go mid. 1 and 2 respond. Respond in mid. No, wait. 1 and 2 take bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right. 5 to 8 just stay mid. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right, guys. Follow me. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4 take bottom right. 5 to 8 just hold mid.
5 to 8, sa mid medyo marami sila.
Okay, sige. Noted. We're gonna take bottom right, then we're gonna assist there. Dikit yung points. Ngayon naman nasa 80.
Capture
Okay,
na tong bottom right.
Okay, 3 and 4 go mid. 3, 4 go mid. 3, 4 go mid. 1 and 2 stay here. They got mid. Ma-flip ba natin yan?
Yes, pag na-wipe natin, pwede na tayo yung magko-consume.
Sige, everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. All in mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Push inside. Push inside. Resu, please. Everyone go mid. Fight mid. Fight mid. Stay inside. Stay inside. E1 PK. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Guys, nasa gitna na ako ng crystal oh. Nasaan yung iba? Pumush kayo sa gitna, doon kayo makipag-PVP. Split natin sila. Split natin sila. Sa loob kayo makipaglaban. Sa gitna mismo ng crystal, dito sila marami. Sa gitna mismo ng crystal, dito sila marami. Kailangan natin to guys. Hello? Status? Parties 5 to 8 status?
Patay.
300 points sila oh. Nangyari.
Need ng reso.
Paparedy lang ng Loki. Targetin natin yung mga sila Scarlet. Ayan, targetin nyo yung mga wizard. Everyone, go all in mid. They got mid again. All in mid. All in mid. all in mid. 3 and 4 split kayo sa bottom left. 3 and 4 split kayo sa bottom left. Okay? Split kayo sa bottom
Sharing
left.
bottom left.
Okay. 3 and 4 split kayo sa bottom left. 1, 2, and 5 to 8 take mid. Crystal status. Crystal status.
Okay na yung bottom left, boss.
Okay, stay lang kayo dyan ha. Ubusin natin yung points dyan. I'm gonna need to revive. Okay. 1, 2, 5 to 8 take mid. Nice take. Okay, 3 and 4 take, parties 1 and 2 take the tier B crystal in the middle. 400 point lead. We're gonna have to win this one. Okay, parties 5 to 8 take upper right. 5 to 8 take upper right. Upper right crystal. 5 to 8 upper right. Upper right, PVP, PVP. 1 to 8, 1 to 8, all in, upper right, all in. Sa gitna kayo makipaglaban. Fight in the middle. Fight in the middle. The score is near. Fight in the middle. Take over here. Take over. 3 and 4 dun lang kayo sa bottom left. Marami sila dito, so I think you can...
Ubos na boss yung bottom left ha. At saka right.
Goods. Yung bottom left.
Yung ano,
Ubos na.
Okay.
Going mid na kami.
sorry Rex, tauhan nyo yung ano, yung tower na sa atin. Doon tayo nalala. Lamang na tayo, tauhan nyo.
Kung natalo mga tao, okay, everyone go mid.
Mid.
Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Hindi, mauubos nila to. Kailangan natin matake to. Fuck. Mauubos nila to. 5 to 8 go mid. 3 to 8 go mid. 3 to 8 go mid. 3 to 8 go mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Clutch to. Everyone go mid na. Go mid na. Skip PVP. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Everyone go mid. Busin. Busin ng crystal. Everyone go mid. Nice.
Nice one.
Nice.
Par.
Nice one, pre. Nice one.
Par.
Nice one. Oh,
Rex.
ano yan?
May mali tayong ginagawa, par. Mamaya ako na sabihin.
Oh, sige.